Now on the activities in rivers. Let us understand what happened in rivers. One morning, 27 lawmakers left their party that brought them into office and joined another party, and still continued to operate as if they were lawmakers. Section 109(1)(g) of the Constitution made it very clear. It doesn't need a court process. That when you were elected into the State Assembly under a political party, if you leave that political party to another political party, you shall lose your seat. It is automatic. Well, when they continued, they discovered that they goofed, that the man who instructed them to leave did not think through it very well, because he had disagreement with the governor. We don't want to get into what happened between Wike and Fubara. That is their business. But we are talking of things that will strengthen this democracy. When the law provides that certain things be done in a particular manner, you must do it in that particular manner. They have been running from pillar to post. In fact, they ran again in order to come back to PDP through the back door when they discovered that they have lost the seat. And indeed, they have lost the seat, finally, unless they come back through another election. So when they discovered, they now went to court. They got PDP legal advisor to file a case. They have not left. The other party say we have not received them. No, that's not what the law says. You need not join another political party. Once you have left that party, one, to join another party, or you may decide not even to go back to the house or under any political party. The law says you have lost your seat. So this second attempt to come back to the party you abandoned through the back door will also not work. We want to see that judge, even when they have sworn to an affidavit in court that they have left, they declared openly on video, on television. We want to see that judge in Nigeria that will say they have not left because their name is not in the register of the other political party, or because they have not been, their party said they have not left. Leaving a political party that the vehicle you use into the State Assembly is a personal decision. It has nothing to do with your party. It has nothing to do with the party you want to go to. It has nothing to do with some other places you want to go to. Ever since then, there have been demonstrations sponsored by Abuja to create mayhem, to justify a state of emergency. And God caught one of them with explosive. And his hand was chopped off amongst the Abuja group that went to demonstrate against the governor. Have you heard anything about it since then? So we don't want to go with the impression that the government in Abuja, the federal government and the president, is giving tacit approval to what Wike is doing as a minister.